What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're going to be doing a review on Raising Cane's. And I've seen a lot of people do these videos where they just eat all the food right in front of you. So, let's do it. I've got myself a microphone so you can get all the juicy sound. So all I got to do is seeing people clamp it to their throat. That hurts way too bad. That's pinching way too bad. So we're just going to pinch the microphone on my shirt right here so you can hear all of the gulps. Heck yeah, it's freaking delicious. If you've not been and tried Raising Cane's, food is definitely a 10 out of 10. Really, really good. Really delicious. Love them. So juicy, so tender. I just got done with the gym. I went straight to Raising Cane's. And this microphone does seem to be picking up a lot of the juicy sounds. Their chicken's really good. Their sauce is really good. The coleslaw is eh. That little piece of toast I just ate is really good too. So good. The fried sauce kind of tastes like it has pepper and paprika in it. Fried sauce is good. A little extra twist to it. Like I said, the coleslaw, it's aight. Ugh. If you like chicken fingers, definitely the place to go. The fries, I think you can tell a lot about a company by fries. Their fries are aight. They're not the best, they're not the worst. Somewhere in the middle. I'm not trying to slop, but I'm trying to make sure that there's a lot of noise for the microphone. Chicken's very tender, very juicy. Doesn't taste like it's been fried. Well, it does taste like it's been fried, but it doesn't feel like it, or it tastes like it's been fried to death. Is what I mean. So good. Woo! This is so good, but I'm getting stuffed. Something else too I really like about Raising Cane's is how simple the menu is. It's only like 5 things. And each one's like a combo that comes with, you know, their notorious chicken. And very simple to order. From 1 to 10, I'd give it a whopping 9. It's really good. Really good food. I'm out of sauce. I'm out of sauce. Coleslaw, I can't eat anymore. I'm freaking stuffed. Like I said, 9 out of 10, really, really good. If I could describe Raising Cane's. Imagine the chicken basket from Dairy Queen. Imagine Arctic Circle chicken basket and just making it 1,000 times better. Super juicy, super good. Food's really, really good. I highly recommend it. If you haven't been here yet, come check it out. I've never made a video like this before. I find it kind of embarrassing to eat food in front of you. But I've seen a lot of people doing these videos. So I thought I'd try it out. This is 2022. You gotta try everything out once, right? No. Remember to like and follow, and we'll see you guys next time. Crack it.